Hi everybody, it's me, Miss You, and right now we're going to be working on the sheet I gave you in class, and we're going to be graphing equations. I want to remind you the equation of a line is y is equal to mx plus b. We have b is the y-intercept, and m is the slope. Okay, let's start off with the first one. We have y is equal to mx plus b. Okay, so we have the equation of the line is y is equal to negative x. So I have y is equal to negative 1 times x. I just wanted to show you that that's the same. And so m is equal to negative 1 and b is equal to 0. So once we have these 2 points, it's easy to graph. So b goes to 0 over here. And we want to go negative 1. M is equal to negative 1 over 1, which is equal to rise over run. So that means we're going to go down one way and over 1. And here we go. That is our line. Y is equal to negative x. Next, we're going to graph this line. Remember, y is equal to mx plus b. So we have b is equal to negative 3, and m is equal to 7 over 3, which is equal to rise over run. I'm going to place b, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, down below. And then the rise is going to be 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's positive 7, so it's in the up direction. And the run is positive 3 in the positive direction. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And here we have our line that has been graphed. Okay. Now let's look at the next question. X is equal to negative 2. How do we do that with y is equal to mx plus b? We can't. So what we do is x is equal to negative 2. I'm going to create a table, x and y. X is equal to negative 2 all the time. All the time. So if y is 0, x is negative 2. If x is negative 2, y is 1, negative 1, 6, negative 6. It is all x is always equal to negative 2. It doesn't matter what y is. So I'm going to go x is negative 2 all the time. So here we go. X is negative 2 all the time. And this is our graph. It gives us a vertical line. Let's move on to the next section, or the question 4. We have y is equal to mx plus b. We have b is equal to 4. And we have m is equal to 2 over 1. Okay? Because 2 is the same thing. 2 is equal to 2 over 1. It's the same thing, which is equal to rise over run. So we're going to start off with 4. And we're going to go up 2 over 1. We always go in the positive direction if it's positive. So 1, 2, 1, and this is our line. Here we go. Now we're going to go y is equal to negative 7 fifths minus 4 x. All I did was I moved the negative to minus 7 instead of being in the middle. So I have b is equal to -4. And I have m is equal to -7/5, which is equal to rise over run. Okay. So I'm going to go put the b down to -4. And now my rise is -7. So I want to go down 7. But hey, that's really hard to do on my sheet. So what I would now want to do is I'm going to switch it. I'm going to call it -5, +7. It doesn't matter if the negative down here goes to the 5 or the 7. So now I'm going to go up 7 to the left 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is +7. And now we're going to go to the left 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And this is -5 for the run. Let's join the points. This is our line. And here we go. Let's do the next one. Y is equal to x plus 1. So it's the same as y is equal to mx plus b. I want you to remember that x is equal to 1 times x. It's the same thing. So here we have b is equal to 1, and m, which is the slope, is equal to 1/1, which is equal to rise over run. Okay? Because we have mx, you could see the 1 right in front. Okay? 1 times x plus 1. So let's go to 1. I'm going to do rise up here, run over here. And here we go. Rise over run. This is our slope.